As we gracefully age, staying connected with family, managing daily schedules, and enjoying entertainment become wonderfully effortless with the right technology. Finding the best iPad for seniors ensures simplicity, clear readability, and reliable performance for your everyday digital needs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Apple iPad 11-inch A16. Navigating daily digital tasks becomes a remarkably smooth experience with this compact entry-level option, powered by the efficient A16 chip that ensures swift application loading and reliable all-day battery life. The vibrant 11-inch liquid retina display utilizes True Tone technology to automatically adjust color warmth, making reading digital books or watching family video calls comfortable for your eyes under varying indoor lighting conditions. Storage options range from 128 gigabytes up to 512 gigabytes, providing plenty of room for treasured photo albums and downloaded media without running out of space quickly. Seniors will appreciate the built-in Touch ID sensor located right on the top button, offering a secure and straightforward way to unlock the screen or authorize purchases with just a simple fingerprint touch instead of remembering complicated passcodes. Compatibility with the USB-C Apple Pencil and the protective Magic Keyboard Folio transforms this tablet into a versatile note-taking and drawing companion, though those with severe hand tremors might find attaching the magnetic accessories slightly tricky at first.
Number 2. Apple iPad Air 13-inch M4. Stepping up to a larger screen format brings incredible visual clarity, highlighted by a gorgeous 13-inch liquid retina display equipped with P3 wide color and ultra-low reflectivity that cuts down on annoying glare near bright windows. Driving this expansive slate is the robust Apple M4 chip, delivering extraordinary speed and advanced graphics processing that easily handles heavy multitasking and built-in Apple Intelligence features designed to simplify daily communication. With storage capacity scaling all the way up to 1 terabyte, users can store extensive libraries of music, home movies, and personal documents without ever worrying about storage constraints. The inclusion of cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 guarantees lightning-fast wireless connections, ensuring buffer-free video streaming and instantaneous file transfers from anywhere in the house. Integrating Apple Intelligence helps draft messages and organize workflows effortlessly, offering intelligent assistance that protects user privacy at every single turn.
Number 3. Apple iPad Air 11-inch M4. Combining high-end processing muscle with a comfortable, portable footprint, this configuration packs the formidable power of the M4 chip into a manageable 11-inch frame that is wonderfully easy to hold with one hand. The brilliant liquid retina display features True Tone and wide color reproduction, ensuring text appears sharp and images look lifelike, whether you are reading the morning news or viewing pictures sent by grandchildren. Support for Apple Pencil Pro and USB-C styluses gives users precise control for handwritten notes or creative sketches, while the optional Magic Keyboard adds a tactile typing experience, complete with a responsive trackpad. Under the hood, Apple Intelligence works quietly in the background to streamline everyday digital interactions, offering smart suggestions and writing tools while safeguarding personal data. Storage options extend up to 1 terabyte, providing massive capacity for long-term archiving of personal files and favorite media collections. Fast Wi-Fi 7 connectivity ensures that internet browsing, software updates, and cloud backups happen instantaneously without frustrating lag times. Number 4. Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M5. For users demanding absolute peak performance and elite visual technology, this flagship powerhouse delivers groundbreaking capabilities driven by the ultra-fast M5 processor and dedicated neural accelerators built specifically for advanced on-device AI tasks. The expansive 13-inch Ultra Retina XDR display stands as a marvel of modern engineering, offering extreme brightness levels, remarkable contrast ratios, and ProMotion technology that makes every scrolling motion buttery smooth.
Storage configurations scale up to a massive 2 terabytes, paired with 16 gigabytes of memory, ensuring that performance never stutters, even when running demanding professional workflows or managing huge libraries of high-resolution media. The redesigned iPad OS features an intuitive windowing layout that simplifies app switching, complemented by Apple Intelligence tools designed to make communication remarkably seamless. Compatibility with both generations of Apple Pencil and the haptic Magic Keyboard ensures stellar accessory support for note-taking, sketching, and comfortable typing.
Number 5. Apple iPad Pro 11-inch M5. The Apple iPad Pro 11-inch M5 redefines what a portable device can achieve, blending desktop-class power with ultimate versatility. At its core is the revolutionary M5 chip, paired with dedicated neural accelerators designed to supercharge on-device AI workflows and Apple Intelligence capabilities. Whether you are editing high-resolution video, compiling complex code, or multitasking across demanding pro apps, this tablet delivers blistering speeds without breaking a sweat. Configurable with up to 2 terabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of memory, it handles professional workloads with ease. Visuals are nothing short of breathtaking on the 11-inch Ultra Retina XDR display. Featuring extreme brightness, deep contrast, ProMotion, and P3 wide color, every image and video pops with incredible fidelity. For professionals seeking ultimate glare reduction, a nano texture glass option is available on higher configurations.
Number 6. Apple iPad Air 11-inch M3. Bridging the gap between everyday accessibility and powerful modern engineering, this iteration relies on the capable Apple M3 chip to deliver commendable energy efficiency and smooth performance for multi-app navigation. The 11-inch Liquid Retina screen showcases crisp visuals backed by wide P3 color accuracy and true tone illumination, keeping text legible and colors natural during extended periods of reading or video streaming. Equipped with 128 gigabytes of internal capacity, it offers adequate local storage space for personal documents, essential software applications, and cherished photo galleries. Reliable Wi-Fi 6E connectivity ensures swift wireless downloads and stable internet browsing speeds throughout the home environment without frustrating connection drops. The comfortable 11-inch frame size is lightweight and ergonomic, reducing wrist fatigue for seniors who enjoy spending time catching up on news or browsing the web while seated in a favorite chair. While it lacks the ultra-advanced AI architecture of newer flagship tiers, its rock-solid processing stability and straightforward interface make it a wonderfully practical, stress-free device for older generations. Overall, it serves as a balanced, reliable middle ground choice that focuses on delivering core performance metrics without overcomplicating daily interactions.
Selecting the ideal tablet depends entirely on your daily needs and financial plan. Basic users will love affordable, reliable models, while tech enthusiasts may prefer advanced processing power and larger screens. Assess what matters most to you. Choose the right balance of features and enjoy a seamless digital experience today.